morning.
Meet America's most famous president.
I was born on the 12th of February in the year 1809. I expect the first thing you have to understand is how much has changed in all of that time. When I was born, this country was brand new, a baby, and the memory of the birth of the nation was fresh. There were men my father's age who could sit around the fire at night and from their own memory tell you stories of the war that gave us our independence. They were still living. That memory was still alive.
This engrossing and informative 45-minute historical program has now been presented in thousands of schools across the country. And now, Abraham Lincoln can appear at your school.
Each one of those fellows reached into his pocket, pulled out a silver $half. They flipped those 2 coins onto the deck of my boat like they were nothing. That was the first time in my life that I realized I didn't have to be poor. That I didn't have to be anything, that it was up to me. It mattered not one bit where you had come from, who your people were, what you had been before. None of that mattered. You could be anything you wanted to be. The fellow who last year worked for somebody else, this year could work for himself.
A touching portrayal that chronicles President Lincoln's humble beginnings in the backwoods of Kentucky to his trying yet extremely important years as President of the United States.
What that did was to overturn that Missouri Compromise. It said the federal government's got no business deciding if a new territory should be a slave state or a free state. That should be up to the people who live there. As soon as that law was passed, out in Kansas, open warfare broke out. It was brutal. The town of Lawrence, Kansas was burned to the ground. Free staters and slavers fighting against each other for control of the territory.
Mobile Ed knows that some aspects of Mr. Lincoln's life can be a delicate subject. This is why Mobile Ed offers different performances for different age groups.
Outside in the street, her 3 children being loaded up onto a wagon and taken away. They'd already been sold, but the fellow who bought them didn't want the mother, so they were being split up. The whole thing was so disgusting, it made me sick. To treat a human being like that. I swore that day slavery had to be the greatest evil on our planet, that if I ever got a chance to do anything about it, I'd hit it with everything I had.
We know this show is so important that we even offer extended schedule requests to allow more questions and informal classroom visits following the presentation. Invite the living Lincoln to your school today.
He took one last deep breath and let it go with a great long sigh. And there was a long silence. Finally broken, and Mr. Stanton spoke. And when he spoke, he said, "Now he belongs to the ages." And that means you guys.